guys, it's Sin from Hot Pink Pineapples here. And today I'm going to show you how to make these holiday light up Starbursts. You're going to need some plug-in twinkle lights and dowels from the craft store. You're going to start by cutting all your dowels in half. These are 36-inch dowels and I use 7 for each Starburst. Then you're going to mark the center of all your dowels. You're going to use some hot glue and you're going to crisscross, making sure that you're gluing at the center of all your dowels. And I just continued to use glue and then crisscrossing all my dowels until I got my desired Starburst shape. I actually found this super easy. I then took some clear fishing line and just kind of weaved it through all of my pieces just to make sure that I had it really nicely secured. Take the end of your twinkle lights and just wrap them around each dowel up and down until you have your entire Starburst covered. Just to make sure to leave a little extra so you can hang them. I think they came out so cute and I love that you can just take the twinkle lights off and reuse them all year round.
Here are 5 places you should clean before having guests over for the holidays. The first is your couch, especially if you have pets. You can have a couch cleaning company do this for you, or you can buy a handheld upholstery cleaner. Spray it with some linen spray and give your guests a fresh, clean couch. Cleaning out your trash cans can help reduce odors, but you can take it a step further and clean out the trash chute. Just use a disinfectant spray or an all-purpose spray to get the job done. And of course, you should clean your bathrooms, but I also suggest cleaning out your drawers and restocking them with essentials. Vacuum out your drawers and wipe them down with a disinfectant. Then I like to restock them with extra toilet paper, toothbrushes and toothpaste, flushable wipes, baby wipes, feminine hygiene products, and of course my favorite, Lysol wipes. Don't forget to also wash your bath mats for your guests. Lastly, it's often missed, but make sure to clean your microwave. I use Dawn dish soap and warm water to clean this. Happy holidays!
So I love these velvet pillows from West Elm, but I do not love $42.50 as a price. But I had an idea. I see these emoji pillows at the thrift store all the time. So I think this could be the perfect upcycle. I grabbed this gross money one that someone has already cut the tongue off of. This mustard yellow velvet pillow was also there, so it felt like destiny. Got to work seam ripping it up so that I had some flat fabric to work with. Then, with some chalk, I marked out the shape and went back after I had finished and added a 1-inch seam allowance. Cut them out, and then it was sewing time. This went super, super well. And when I flipped it back out to the right side, it was then that I remembered I needed to stuff a rather bulky pillow into a gap I had made extremely too small. So in a process I can only describe as reverse birthing, I somehow managed to fit this baby into the cover. Quickly hand stitched up the bottom opening, and just like that, it was done. I'm really happy with it, especially with it being around $5 to make.